Hi guys and welcome back to RC Workshop. So today we have got a really big unboxing, something we've been waiting for a while. It's Anki's Vector robot finally. What I'm going to do is strip it out of the box here, flip the camera around and show you first person view. So let's have a look what we got inside the first box. Exciting! Right, we have got plastic. There we go. Oh yes! A little leaflet in there from Anki to say thank you, I guess. I'm going to read that in a sec. So what I'll do is flip the camera around and we'll unbox it first person view. See you in a sec. Right then guys, so yeah, back to the unboxing. That was a nice little thank you letter from Anki, or Anki, however you want to pronounce it. Let's get to it. Woo! Exciting times, exciting times. So there's the external box. I ain't going to show you too much on what reads what, but there you go. Right, slide that off. Ooh, nice. Let's open it from the bottom. Oh, it's already open. There's nothing to cut, it's already there. That's strange. Hopefully it's not used. Anyway. Oh, look at that. There you go. So yeah, one brick guys by the look of it. So look at that. Ooh yeah, it's got the tab that you have to pull out to activate the brick. We're not going to activate it yet guys because the app isn't out. So I'll be first, as soon as the app's out, to be activating it and stick it on YouTube for you guys to see. But yeah, there's your brick. No hot plastic. That's a plastic solid holder for the brick. And let's get him out. Here he is, guys. Wow. The screen goes right up to the top of his head. It's got a little screen protector on there as well. That'll have to come off in a bit. Wow. Feels a little heavier than its predecessor, Cosmo. It's got a really nice finish on it. That's nice. That is very nice. I just want to activate it now. Is there anything that does? No. Press the power button. Oh, we got a little green light. You ain't going to do a fat lot though without activating him from the app, which again isn't out just yet. What else have we got in the box? So we have got some instructions by the look of it, which these are going to have to be thoroughly read because I want to get the most out of Vector on this one. What we got actually in there? Instructions, quick start guide. Do the cube, what you need, router, power supply, app store, download the app, power button. Oh, something's happened, you just switched on. Download the app, and yeah, and that's it. Basically run everything else from the app then when you got the app open, which I will do as soon as the app's available. What else have we got? So you got a nice charger. Now this charger is exciting because Vector will go back to the charger and charge himself on his own, so he can always be on. That's going to be the fun part about it. That's what we're going to enjoy about Vector in our house. It's always going to be on. I'm looking forward to seeing what he can actually do. There's a round plastic disc or foam disc and a silica gel, and that is your lot. That's what we've got in there. So yeah, one brick. It's just as light as the other bricks as well. Just wondering if all these are different colours. Let's have another look around Vector for you. So you've got the 4 sensors on the bottom. So he's definitely not falling off a table, hopefully. Charge points as well. Again, for when he's automatically going onto his own charger. Let's say the screen looks like it goes further up his face. That gold's actually really nice. That feels smooth. And then the other grey plastic's like textured, like a grippy texture to it. The gold's all nice and smooth. It's got the 4 microphones on the top, which you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you call Vector, he can turn around to you and face you. So yeah, guys, like I say, as soon as the app's out, drop back onto my channel. Please subscribe and hit that bell button. And yeah, you can view the, what's it called? The activation video. As soon as it's up, it'll be on here. So please rate, comment, subscribe. Anything you really want to know about it as well, I'll try and do my best when I do an activation video. But again, it's all going to be new to myself. Yeah, so I'll see you on the next one. See ya! Yay! That is cool. See ya!